three. Ooh, a nice cloud of cool gas filling the room. That is the power of ice in Articuno right there in action, my friends. And we'll go ahead and have a nice cool little concoction. We'll have it come out right over here for our sleeping June to cool off. That is the power of Articuno. We have 2 Pokemon left. You know what that means. It's time for the age-old question. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm hearing some cheering of the sea. Who is this Pokemon? It's Arbok. That is exactly correct. Arbok, of course, is a really cool Pokemon. It is, of course, the Cobra Pokemon, and it is encountered an enemy. It can raise its head
11-6.
patterns on that body to make them afraid. And that's a little bit like a
11-6.
physiological illusion. You can see right here. Hello, my friends. Welcome on in. Feel free to sit anywhere you like. Physiological illusions are illusions that are hardwired into our brain. Our brain will create motion where there is none. This is a still image, but as you look around, you'll start to see it wiggle and slither almost. It looks like a pattern of a bunch of coiled snakes, but this is again a still image. But our brain is hardwired to see this pattern and create motion. And it's also very similar to a different kind of illusion called an after image. What I want everyone to do is stare right at that white dot in the center and do not blink, do not move your head, just stare at that dot. We'll go ahead and do 2 cycles of this. What's happening right now is your eyes are getting tired. As you stare, your eyes are just like muscles, and after carrying that big, heavy milk jug in from the car, you're gonna get nice and tired with your arms. Well, looking at those bright lights will get you nice and tired. This, of course, is our black and white image, but stare at that white dot. We're actually showing you the inverse of the true color image. And what that's going to do is going to tire out these certain rods in your eyeballs and certain cones in your eyeballs. This will allow a false image to appear where you'll actually start to see the true colors in the black and white image because your eyes are so tired. If you've ever stared at a light bulb and then seen blue afterwards, that is because your eyes are seeing an after image. Is everyone starting to see the color a little bit? Yeah, a lot of head nods, perfect. This is our color wheel right here for our eyeballs and how we see. We see red, blue, and green cones. And then, of course, they mix to create all of those other very, very important colors. But that is our 4th Pokemon right here in our line. Let's go ahead and take a look at our 5th and final Pokemon. And that means it's time to ask the question one last time. On the count of 3. 1, 2,